Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. This brave general can understand. All virtuous activities in the world come from the Buddha's light. The ocean of Buddha's wisdom is immeasurable. Such is the liberation of materially rich. Recall the countless eons of the past, when the Buddha cultivated the 10 powers, able to fulfill all the powers. This is comprehended by high banner. Furthermore, the Mahāraga king, beneficent wisdom, found the door of liberation of using all spiritual powers and techniques to cause sentient beings to amass virtues. The Mahāraga king, Lord of dignified sound, found the door to liberation, causing all sentient beings to get rid of afflictions and attain the joy of coolness. The Mahāraga king, adornment of supreme wisdom, found the door of liberation, causing all sentient beings, having good or bad thoughts and consciousness, to enter into the pure truth. The Mahāraga king, Lord of sublime eyes, found the door of liberation, comprehending the equality of all virtuous powers without any attachments. The Mahāraga king, lamp banner, found the door of liberation, edifying all sentient beings and causing them to leave the dark, fearsome states. The Mahāraga king, supreme light banner, found the door of liberation, knowing the virtues of all the Buddhas and giving rise to joy. The Mahāraga king, lion guts, found the door of liberation of the courage and strength to be the saviour and guardian of all beings. The Mahāraga king, sound adorned by myriad subtleties, found the door of liberation causing all sentient beings to give rise to boundless joy and pleasure whenever brought to mind. The Mahāraga king, polar mountain guts, found the door of liberation of uncertain unshakability in the face of all objects, finally reaching the other shore. The Mahāraga king, pleasing light, found the door of liberation of showing the path of equality to all unequal beings. At that time, the Mahāraga king, dignified light of beneficent wisdom, imbued with the power of the Buddha, surveyed the assembly of all the Mahāragas and said in verse,